y'all? I'm out here with my buddy Isaac. He's setting up his boom truck right now. It says some air conditioning units on the rooftop over here in Marietta near Dobbins Air Force Base. So pretty cool stuff. I got my 110 on the other side. We're gonna be setting some air conditioning units about, I don't know, 90 feet away or so. I think the ones that he's getting are a lot shorter radius, but we're gonna knock it out.